Hi everyone and welcome to Mindlight TV. My name is Jackie Schwab and I am the CEO of Mindlight LLC. And our YouTube channel is really meant to help provide resources, tools, and support for both family caregivers as well as professional caregivers so they can provide the vulnerable members of our population with the most love and support. This is important to me personally because I do have a family of 4 young children and one of them has an autism diagnosis. My father recently passed away and my mom isn't doing very well and she's currently in a facility. So we're really managing a lot of different things, and to be able to do that in a community of people who understand and who want to be there for you is really helpful. So that's why we created this channel. So you'll get lots of tips and tricks on how to do your best work. We are a technology company, so we'll be reviewing different pieces of products and technology, and hopefully all in an effort to get you some of those resources, tools, or support that you need to do your best work. So look forward to seeing you every week, and thank you so much for seeing and coming to our channel.